How do you shut it down at the iPhone with the buttons? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. So naturally you have more ways to shut it down at the iPhone, like you have the button in the control center, or you can also go to the settings, general, and at the bottom you have the shut it down button. But if you for some reason cannot just make it work and you need to use the physical buttons, you can of course hold it down on the power button as well as the volume down button, and you're going to get to the page where you can slide it to power off. So that might be something you are interested in. On the other hand, if you don't want to do just that, you don't even want to touch the screen, what you can do is to perform a hard reset or force restart at the iPhone, where you perform the gesture with the buttons where you press the volume up, volume down, and hold it down on the power button on the side of the iPhone, right? So that's how you can do this. You're going to keep on holding until the Apple logo shows up, and you're going to be pretty much good to go after it appears, because your phone should be turned off and turned back on, right? And that's how it's going to work. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to find it. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and straight to the point tutorials like this one, and I'll see you later. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.